That's my couch.
Out of play. Tigers lead the White Sox 3-0. They're in the fifth in Chicago. Detroit started the night 4.5 back. Well, the Indians,
That's the couch, it's not
but
the
6
dog.
back in the loss column.
I think she got it.